Thank you for tuning in to this channel of Let's Learn Kikuyu. I remain your teacher, Mwarewa Magi. Previously, we looked at the present simple tenses. In this lesson, we will have a look at present continuous tense, and without further ado, as usual, we look at a verb, give it its respective Kikuyu term, and move on to make a sentence to highlight how it's used in a present continuous tense form. To wash in Kikuyu is guthabia. Guthabia. To say I am washing in respect to the present continuous tense, I will say neguthabia ndirathabia. Neguthabia ndirathabia. The verb to sleep is gukoma. Gukoma. To say that he is sleeping, then you will say negukoma akomete. Negukoma akomete. And from now on, you are going to notice the pattern of the verb in Kikuyu repeating itself, like here, gukoma, akomete, guthabia, arathabia, in the form of the present continuous tense. To play is guthaka. Guthaka. And when the children are playing in Kikuyu, you say ciana neguthaka irathaka. Ciana neguthaka irathaka. But when it's only one child playing, then we'll say mwana neguthaka arathaka. Mwana neguthaka arathaka. Walk is guthie. Guthie. So when you say the women are walking in the forest, then you will say atumia neguthie marathie mutitoine. Atumia neguthie marathie mutitoine. The verb to prepare is kuhariria. Kuhariria. So when you say I am preparing to go to work, you'll say nikwihariria ndirehariria guthie wira. Nikwihariria ndirehariria guthie wira. But when then there's somebody else who is preparing to go to school, you say nikwihariria arehariria guthie thukuru. Nikwihariria arehariria guthie thukuru. Make is guthondeka. Guthondeka. To say that he is making a cup of tea, you say in Kikuyu, niguthondeka arathondeka gikombe gia cai. Niguthondeka arathondeka gikombe gia cai. But in a different situation where there are people making a flower bed, then you will say niguthondeka marathondeka handu ha mahua. Niguthondeka marathondeka handu ha mahua. So, what if you want to use the present continuous tense in a negative form? Let's dig in and see how these tenses form. The verb to study is guthoma. Guthoma. And if you say guthomera, it is also okay. So to say she is not studying her book, you will say ti guthoma arathoma ibuku riake. Ti gũthoma arathoma ibuku rĩake. To reply is gũcokia. Gũcokia. So, to deny the fact that you are replying a letter to her, you say, ti kũmũcokeria ndiramũcokeria marũa. Ti kũmũcokeria ndiramũcokeria marũa. And again here, when you are not specific to whom you are replying to, you just say, ti gũcokia ndĩracokia. Ti gũcokia ndĩracokia. Laugh is gũtheka. Gũtheka. To say she is not laughing, you will say, ti gũtheka aratheka. Ti gũtheka aratheka. Ask is kũũria. Kũũria. So to say he is not asking a question, you say, ti kũũria aroria kĩũria. Ti kũũria aroria kĩũria. Wait is gweterera. Gweterera. To say they are not waiting for you, in Kikuyu you say, ti gũgweterera maragweterera. Ti gũgweterera maragweterera. Listen is thikĩrĩria. Thikĩrĩria. To deny the fact that somebody is listening to music, then you say, ti gũthikĩrĩria arathikĩrĩria nyĩmbo. Ti gũthikĩrĩria arathikĩrĩria nyĩmbo. As we continue with this lesson, then we are going to look at how to use the present continuous tense in an interrogative manner. Checking on our verbs first to look is kurora. Kurora. But when you are interrogating a person and ask them, are they actually looking at you? Then you say, nikudora uradora. Nikudora uradora. To lie is kuhenania. Kuhenania. So, when you interrogate a person and ask them if they are telling a lie, you say, nikuhenania urahenania. Nikuhenania urahenania. Shout is kwanĩrĩra. Kwanĩrĩra. So to ask, are you shouting? You ask, nĩ kwanĩrĩra ũranĩrĩra. Nĩ kwanĩrĩra ũranĩrĩra. Start is kwambĩrĩria. Kwambĩrĩria. And if you say kwambia, you are still correct. So to ask, are they starting? You ask, nĩ kwambĩrĩria marambĩrĩria. Nĩ kwambĩrĩria marambĩrĩria. To uproot is kũmunya. Kũmunya. So when you are curious to know if somebody is uprooting, you ask, nĩ kũmunya ũramunya. Nĩ kũmunya ũramunya. To learn, which is almost the same as study, is kwĩruta. Kwĩruta. So to interrogate a person and ask them if they are learning Kikuyu, you ask, nĩ kwĩruta ũreruta Gĩkũyũ. Nĩ kwĩruta ũreruta Gĩkũyũ. On that note, my dear listener, we have come to the end of our lesson, present continuous tense. Please join me again for another lesson, just like this one. From me, it's goodbye.